Shockwave therapy for your Achilles tendon is an amazing option. The benefits are it's a 5-minute treatment. You have nothing to lose. It's part of your appointment. No major cost. It is safe. You're moving right away and you're avoiding surgery. The benefits are you're running almost day one, feeling significantly better. Most insurances are accepted. This is part of our office clinical visit. If we feel that it is a great option for you, we're not going to let cost hold you back. How it works: basically, a ballistic projectile is magnetized to vibrate back and forth, creating acoustic shock waves through a transducer device, which is a soft rubber piece in our case, which is sterilized. And what it does is creates micro trauma, creating new blood vessel growth in chronically damaged and irritated tissue. This is a very effective treatment. Lots and lots of studies are out there for different types of tendon damage. So it can be used on your shoulder, your tennis elbow, your plantar fascia, your hip, your Achilles tendon, and your patellar tendon. These are all proven techniques that work extremely well. Even spurring bone formation can start disappearing over time. We do see this in the foot with plantar fascia nodule formation, in the heel with plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis. As you can see right here, an Achilles tendon inflamed nodule can disappear over a few treatments. This is the shockwave working, and essentially any irritation starts to disappear through new blood vessel growth. So the bottom line is it's a quick, easy treatment. You lose nothing. It used to be something available only in the OR, but now it is part of your appointment. It's safe and you're avoiding surgery. You have nothing to lose. Come to our clinics and check this amazing technology out. If this helped you at all, please visit our website where you can get even more information. And if this video did help, give it a like and a share, and we'll see you soon. This is MichiganFootDoctors.com.